If you're turning 65 soon, there are a few things about Medicare I really think you should know. Because Medicare isn't terribly complicated once somebody explains it to you, but making the wrong decision at the beginning can create problems that aren't always easy to fix later. So let me give you a few tips. First, don't wait until your 65th birthday to start thinking about Medicare. For most people, your initial enrollment period is 7 months. It starts 3 months before the month you turn 65, includes your birthday month, and continues for 3 months after. But here's my advice. Start figuring this out about 3 months before your birthday. That gives you time to understand your options without feeling rushed. And you definitely don't want to miss an enrollment deadline. Depending on your situation, enrolling late can cause gaps in coverage and even Medicare penalties. Some of those penalties can stay with you for years. Now, there's an important exception. If you're still working at 65 or you're covered through your spouse's current employer, you may be able to delay certain parts of Medicare without a penalty. But don't assume that's the case. Check before you make that decision. Here's my second tip. Don't pick a Medicare plan just because your friend, neighbor, or relative says they love theirs. The plan that's great for them might be completely wrong for you. Your doctors may be different. Your prescriptions may be different. Your preferred hospitals may be different. And your health and budget are probably different too. Third, pay very close attention to networks. This is especially important if you're considering Medicare Advantage. Before enrolling, make sure your doctors, specialists, clinics, and hospitals work with the plan. A plan can look fantastic on paper. It can have a low premium and a long list of extra benefits. But if you can't use the doctors or hospital system you want, those benefits may not mean very much. Here's another tip that I think gets overlooked. Consider working with an independent Medicare agent who actually knows your local market. Medicare can be very local. The plans available where you live can be different from what's available just a county or two away. And local hospital systems and medical groups can have very different relationships with different insurance companies. A good independent agent should understand those local networks. And ask the agent something else. Which insurance companies do you actually represent? No agent represents every Medicare option, but ideally, you want someone who can compare multiple companies, including important local carriers, instead of trying to fit everybody into the same plan. And here's probably the biggest tip I can give you. Don't start by asking, what's the best Medicare plan? There's really no such thing. Instead, ask, which plan is best for me? We start with your doctors, your prescriptions, your preferred hospitals, your travel habits, your budget, and what's most important to you. Then we can look at whether original Medicare, with a Medicare supplement and prescription drug coverage makes sense, or whether a Medicare Advantage plan might be a better fit. That's how I believe Medicare should be done. I'm TR with VitalShield Insurance Services. If you're turning 65 in the next few months, I'd be happy to help you sort through it. We'll look at your situation, explain Medicare in plain English, and help you understand the options available where you live. No pressure, just good information so you can make the right decision for yourself. If you'd like some help, give VitalShield a call or click the link below. And one last piece of advice. Don't wait until your birthday. Start early. You'll be glad you did.